Have you ever wanted to shut down your laptop for the night, knowing your digital life is still out there working for you? Sorting your files, tracking your projects, and mapping out tomorrow's schedule while you sleep. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build exactly that. We'll set up a 24/7 cohesive personal workflow using Google's newest AI ecosystem. To make this work, there are 3 mandatory steps to complete first. You need an AI Pro or Ultra subscription, you need the Gemini app downloaded, and most importantly, you need to open your settings and flip the toggle switch to on next to your workspace apps, like Gmail and Drive. If you skip that last step, you are left with an isolated chatbot. Connecting those apps provides the system with the context required to run a fully integrated operating system for your daily life. Step 1 is getting your day started without opening 6 different tabs. We want to bring all your scattered emails, reminders, and tasks into a single, prioritized view. Once activated, the daily brief funnels urgent emails and calendar events into a clean, prioritized list. You can also use the universal cart to track items across platforms. Drop a monitor into your cart, and the system actively monitors its price history. You don't need to keep refreshing the product page. The cart will alert you automatically if the price drops, or even flag if the hardware is incompatible with your current setup. By pulling all this data together, you bypass the manual morning triage. You start your day making proactive decisions based on the information already organized in front of you. Now that your morning is streamlined, we can put the system to work in the background using the new autonomous agent Gemini Spark. You can set up a recurring schedule by giving Spark a specific instruction. For example, tell it to scan your inbox every Monday at 9 a.m., summarize the updates, and automatically block off time on your calendar for deep work. You can also build custom skills. You might command the AI to read through your past home maintenance invoices, identify patterns, and then add reminders for upcoming chores directly into your calendar and keep notes. Handing over your inbox and calendar can feel risky. You might be wondering what happens if the AI drafts an incorrect email to a client or buys the wrong item. The system is built with a hard-coded safety boundary. Before Spark takes any major action, it stops the workflow and requires explicit approval to proceed. This separates the heavy lifting of preparation from the final execution. The AI handles the reading, sorting, and drafting, freeing up your cognitive bandwidth, while you retain absolute final say over your digital identity. Background automation handles the routine, but we can also use these tools to accelerate your active desk work, operating completely hands-free. Using conversational voice search in Gmail Live, you can retrieve highly specific buried data. Instead of scrolling through old threads, you simply ask for your multi-leg flight itinerary to New Orleans, and it pulls the exact details. When it comes to creating new material, the Docs Live workflow allows for a complete verbal brain dump. You just speak naturally. You don't have to dictate punctuation, and you can include all your messy pauses and unstructured thoughts. This diagram shows how the AI processes that audio in real time. It takes your irregular, rambling voice data and instantly organizes it into clean, perfectly formatted paragraphs on the page. Bypassing the keyboard removes the mechanical bottleneck of typing. You produce your work at the actual speed of your thoughts. That speed applies to visual media as well. Using the Gemini Omni world model, we can manipulate physical video using natural language commands. The workflow is straightforward. You upload a standard video clip directly into YouTube Shorts or Flow Tools and open the voice prompt interface. Instruct the AI to change the lighting to golden hour, and it adjusts the landscape shadows and colors while keeping your subject perfectly anchored. Omni operates as a world model. Instead of applying a flat digital filter over the pixels, it actively simulates the 3D physics and light geometry of the scene to create an accurate result. Finally, we can take this entire workflow off of our digital screens and project it directly into physical space using Android XR smart glasses. With a quick voice activation sequence, you can turn on real-time environmental translation to instantly read physical signs around you in another language. You can ask for directions, and the system provides an active, heads-up navigation display, placing clean directional arrows right over your actual field of view. Your tools are no longer tied to a desk or a phone. The AI ecosystem becomes a seamless, invisible layer operating directly over your daily physical life. Let's review what we've built. You now have an automated cart tracking your items, a 24/7 background agent managing your calendar and inbox, the ability to draft documents at the speed of your voice, and a physical world integration through smart classes. Now it's your turn. Identify the repetitive, manual task you hate doing the most every day, and build a custom Spark skill to let the AI handle it for you. Drop your custom Spark schedules in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Remember, the true purpose of this technology is to serve your time, so you don't have to spend it doing the busy work.